Welcome to Reenasartstudio. Today in this channel we're going to make this beautiful wine color bracelet, and for that I'm using this plain purple color wine color sheet, and we are going to make the first strip, which will have the top as 1 centimeter and the bottom part will be around 8 millimeters, and the first strip will be of total length of the page, which is around 24 inches. Now the second strip will be 8 millimeters on the top and 5 millimeters on the bottom, but the length of the paper will be 20 inches, and the third strip will be 5 millimeters on the top and 1 millimeter on the bottom, and the length of the sheet will be around 15 inches. Yeah, this is how we take the measurements, and we will start measuring the first strip, which will be 1 centimeter on the top and the bottom will be around 8 mm. We will make around 6 to 8 strips of the first measurement, and we will cut the paper, because the second strip, the length of the paper, we have to reduce it by 4 to 5 inches, and the third one will be again 5 to 6 inches. We will reduce the length. So we will start cutting the first strip, and each strip we need is 6 to 8. See, if you see, the top will be around one little lesser. I mean, the bottom part will be little lesser than the top part, and the measurements here I have given it very clearly. And we will start rolling it with the skewer. We start rolling the bead. The first, we have to be a little careful and roll it really tight, and once we come to the end, secure it with the glue and hold it for some time, and attach the second strip, which is 8 mm on the top and 5 mm at the bottom, and roll it tight, and the same thing, secure it with the glue at the end, and then hold it for some time and add the final strip. In this bead, as it is a very plain color paper, I'm only using the exact amount required, because excess amount of glue uh, might change the color of the paper. If it is okay that it changes into a darker shade, that is fine. You can use excess amount of glue also. See, once the second strip is secured well, you will start keeping the third strip and hold it for some time and start rolling the third paper also, third strip. Just make sure that this strip, which is the final one, because it is a thin strip, hold it to the center of the bead and secure it with the glue, and just roll the bead in your hand multiple times with the even excess glue you have, so that any gaps in between the papers will be filled with the glue. Just make sure that you roll it a couple of times, making sure that there are no gaps in between the 3 strips you have rolled. And that is how our bead is ready. So we will make 8 of such beads and use few other end caps or any other beads in between, pearls or something like that, to make this bracelet. So once the bead is done, it looks so beautiful, and we will start polishing the bead. Here I'm not I have used 2 coats of glue, and after that I'm using a transparent nail polish to give it a extra shine on the bead. I'm using around 2 coats of this transparent nail polish. Once the beads are dried, I'm using this pearl and end caps, silver color end caps, to each bead to make it look more beautiful. So it's a pearl bead, then an end cap and the bead, paper bead, and another end cap. So this is how it looks. Just securing it on the elastic wire, which is easy to wear as well. And this is how it looks. And at the end, we are going to secure the bracelet by just tying a normal knot, around 3 to 5 knots, which is good to go. And this is so simple to make with a single color paper and few accessories. I mean, like the pearl beads or the cap end caps, and you made yourself a beautiful bracelet. And I'm sure that you all will try, give it a try, and present it to somebody whom you love. And ta-da, this is how our bracelet looks, and this is how it looks on my hand. Hope you all enjoyed this small video, and I'll come soon again with another one. Until then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to try it and comment how it got to see. And thank you so much for watching.